Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, this is the Bell Makeovers. You're welcome. So today I'll be doing this half cut crease with chunky glitters, which I paired with nude lips. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Before drawing my brows, I primed it with a mattifier, and I also applied some concealer and setting powder on it so that it can stay matte all day. Now I'm using some lash glue to brush the brow hairs upwards so that it can be arranged. After blending all the colors I used on my crease area, I applied some concealer on my eyelid and looked up. That's a simple way to know where you're going to cut on your crease. Since it's a half cut crease, I'm not going all the way to the end, so I'm going to use the concealer to cut across to about 3/4 of my eye, and then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow application. The concealer is also serving as a base for the eyeshadow I intend to apply on my eyelid.
it's meant to be, that I'm finally right where I'm supposed to. If I let you into the secret, would you listen? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like
my lipstick, I'm sorry I lost some clips, but what I did was I used the liquid lipstick, a brown liquid lipstick, to line my lips. Then I applied some concealer at the middle and blended them together. Then to brighten it a bit more, I applied some white lipstick right at the center, and I topped it off with a clear gloss. That was it basically. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Also share to your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I can't help but think that it's meant to be.